Hey guys, welcome to the video today, guys. I am playing Speed Run 4. I don't know if there was ever like a third game, but if there are, I'm gonna play out and test it for y'all. But yo, this map look kind of different to me, cause I don't remember this looking like this, bruh. I almost remember the map like being flipped, like this is the start and that's the finish. I do not remember that. Wait, I don't know when. But are we supposed to get done by here, right here? Or is this a finish? But wait, but did they change up the jump, bro? Well, if they did, why did they do that? Cause I like the old one better. I do not like this. I'm not used to this. Freak! Dang it! All right, I died. So, alright. Run, jump. Gang. Ah! Okay. No! Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But where's the old music for this one, bruh? If it got copyright claimed, I'm gonna be so mad, cause this music was always so peaceful for me, and if Roblox just took it away like that. Hey gang, you can go up here, but I'm gonna be so mad. I'm already mad, bro, guys. This was my first song out all of them, bro, and it's gone. And I don't even like this one cause it sounds trash. Okay, why does it remind me of Juice WRLD, Bad Boy? I ain't gonna lie, it kind of reminds me of it. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Whoa. Hey, hold on. You know, I'ma make sure I'm a bad guy. You know, I'm gonna kill. I was a man. I was a Glock. Give me the pill. You know, so I was a 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. There's so much colors. What? Call me what's your favorite color. Mine is like black, purple, and yeah. And why alright gang. I think I should stop now before I die. I do not like that. Why does this remind me of one of my old gacha contents I used to do? And I might be coming back to that. I might be coming back to that too. I'm already making one right now, if you don't know. I just can't tell y'all nothing about it. But if I get a chance to show y'all some screenshots from it, I'll show y'all. But right now, I can't show y'all nothing from it, cause I just can't. Thank you so much for liking this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and look out for that video too about the gacha video, cause it is coming out. It's just not done yet. And new gaming setup videos coming out too. So keep a lookout for that, and there's gonna be a lot of new content on this channel. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out. Goodbye. Why am I doing this?